We're now going to look at creating sheet sets in Autocad 2010. Sheet sets allow you to manage, file and archive drawings on a particular project. In our case, it's our house development project as shown on the screen right now. Now, to get to our sheet set manager, we need to go to our View tab on the ribbon, and it's on the Palette panel here, and there's the sheet set manager there. You'll notice as soon as I open it, we already have a VTC example sheet set open. So let's have a quick look at that before we set up our own. So we've got a VTC example sheet set. There's the name list there. And as you can see, we've got two layouts, both of which currently are locked with the little yellow lock symbol. That's because this drawing here is open at the moment. We've also got sheet views, which we'll look at later. We don't have any set up at the moment, but model views wise, you'll notice that we've got the 06 creating sheetsets.dwg, and that's got four named views: the house entrance, the living area, the pond area, and the summer house. So what you can do is you can create named views that can be used as views in new sheets in your sheet set. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the pull down here, click on New Sheet Set, and we're going to go through creating a new sheet set. Now we've got existing drawings to use. An example sheet set allows you to use a given setup that comes with Autocad. Normally though, you work with existing drawings that you've created for a particular project. So I click on Next now. The name of the new sheet set, well, let's work in conjunction with our drawing. It's going to be Housing Development Plan HDP1, and we'll put New House Project. So you just type this information in. This gets saved in a file where you specify the location. Now the description there, I'm just going to put metric house project. I'm not going to worry too much about what I put in there for obvious reasons, but you can obviously put as much as you need in there when you work with sheet sets. I need to specify a location of where the DST file goes that stores this HDP1 information. So if I click there, it's in a sheet sets folder that I've created previously. So what I do, I'm just going to cancel that because it's in the right place already, and I click on Next. Now what I need to do is browse for my drawing. So you'll notice there I've got a preset area where I'm going to. It's my drawings folder for this particular session in the Autocad 2010 Advanced Concepts course. So there's the drawings folder there. So I select that and I OK it. Now because it's gone to that specific folder where I know there is a drawing, you can see now that there's the drawing that we're going to use, and there's my specific sheet sets folder. So what I do now is I tick the boxes that I need. So I can tick there and get overall, like that. I can remove specific drawings if I need to, like so as well. I'm just going to tick everything and click on Next. I've now got my new sheet set preview in front of me. There's the two layouts. There's the sheet set name, model view, and so on. I can set all of this up in the sheet set manager. So I'm going to finish that now. And what will happen now is I've got HDP new house project listed there. If I go to the sheet list now, looks very similar to the example. Again, the layouts are locked because the drawing here is already open. So what I'm going to do now is close the drawing. So I'm going to close the drawing there. Do I want to save it? In this case, yes, I will. And what you'll notice now is it stays open, the sheet set manager. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close that now as well. And then I'm going to open up a blank metric drawing. You have to have a blank drawing open to use your sheet set manager. So I click on sheet set manager there, and notice now I've only got one locked layout there. So as you can see, if I go here now and go open, goes to the Autocad sheet sets folder, the default folder. So there's a default folder in your options in your files where you can put sheet sets. What I can do here, I'm very lucky, it remembers the ones that I've used. So I'm going to open up my new house project, and notice as soon as I refresh that there, the lock symbols disappear. So what I can do now, if I click there, I can actually start working with that particular sheet. I can actually rename it if I want to. I can rename and renumber, and I can completely edit the details of the sheet set entry, but the folder path and the actual DWG file name stay the same. We'll look at that as we do further exercises in this course. So I'm going to cancel that there, and that ends creating sheet sets.